Okay, there might be stuff that don't need to be in the picture, just saying.
That's perfect. And then just a little bit of water until it'll suds up. And then I hit these and turn the water off.
Okay.
I come from California where we don't have enough water. And if it's not sudsing enough, you can add a little more water.
Try not to get much over.
Oh yeah. That works pretty well.
It feels cool too, huh?
Yeah. Well, I like the little grittiness in it. That helps.
So what do you think? Did you do better than some of the other, or is it the same, or?
Well, I don't really wash my hands that often, but it does pretty well.
Okay, that's not what you say to ladies.
That's not how you get a girl.
Okay, and then just like feel your hands. Feel how soft they feel.
Oh yeah. Yeah, those are pretty stinking grippy. That's nice stuff. I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.